Hi! In this video, I'm going to show how to set up your GoPro 7 Black camera and get it ready to work with the platform. I recommend GoPro 7 Black or GoPro 8 or GoPro 9 because its Wi-Fi actually works. First thing, make sure there is a microSD card inside of your camera. Here. Second, get rid of the battery. We are going to use an external one. Third, take this lid off. Just pull it out gently. See, it disconnects. Okay, now plug it in and turn it on. Go to Preferences, Original Settings, and make sure that your video format is NTSC. If it's PAL, change it to NTSC. Now go back. It needs to be in Full HD mode, 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second. If it's anything different, change it. 180, 120, that is correct. If it's something like this, 1440, you might want to press here in the corner. So 180, 120. Make sure it's not in photo mode, make sure it's not in time-lapse mode or any other mode. Video mode, Full HD, 120. Alright, now go to Preferences again. Connections, connect device, and choose GoPro app. Connect your camera to your cell phone. Use a GoPro app for that, and you may rename your camera. Change the name to something convenient. I changed my camera's name to Instalab 360. I go back again, camera info. Here is the name of my camera and the password. This name I'm going to use when I connect to my camera via the Wi-Fi from my laptop, and this is the password I'm going to use. This name I'm also going to put in the software, so you may want to write this down. Now go back, disconnect your camera from your smartphone and connect your camera to your laptop. You should be able to connect your laptop to your GoPro now, but if for some reason you don't see your camera among your Wi-Fi connections on your laptop, go to Preferences again, go to Connections, connect device, GoPro app. Now it should appear in your Wi-Fi connections on your laptop. Connect to the camera, then go back. If for some reason the connection is not stable, you may want to try to change your Wi-Fi band from 5 to 2.4. Sometimes 2.4 works better, sometimes 5 works better. I usually use 5. This is it. If you have any issues, make sure that your camera is in video mode, that it's in Full HD, that it's in 120 frames per second.